Vanessa Bryant shared a video of her two youngest daughters, Bianca and Capri, staying cool under the sun by running through several sprinklers in Cannes, France and feeling pure joy. Vanessa Bryant, 39, and her kids are having a summer to remember. The doting mother has been on an eventful vacation with her three daughters, Natalia, 18, Bianca, 4, and Capri, 2, and friends, and has been sharing various pics and videos of some of their most memorable moments. One of her latest videos, which was posted on August 3, shows Bianca and Capri happily running around and through outdoor sprinklers while wearing their matching patterned bathing suits. "Pure joy," she wrote in the caption along with 2 red heart and 2 yellow sun emojis. Some of her followers responded with heart-eyed emojis and one wrote, "How fun." The pic was tagged in Cannes, France, which is one of several places Vanessa and her girls have been in the last couple of weeks. On August 1, Vanessa shared a post full of pics taken in Croatia, where she also spent time. Some of the snapshots showed her daughters posing in the fictional city King's Landing, from the show Game of Thrones, and gorgeous views could be seen behind them. Vanessa also explained in the caption that Natalia was supposed to go to Croatia last year but her trip was cancelled due to the COVID-19 pandemic. Related gallery. Vanessa Bryant and her daughters. Took my kids to King's Landing. Total Cersei/Khaleesi move, wine glass, dragon, heart, Croatia, #Game of Thrones. Kobe Bryant allowed Natalia to go on a trip to Croatia with her class her senior year of high school, but unfortunately the trip was cancelled due to COVID, the caption read. "I wanted to make sure that Natalia Bryant got the opportunity to visit. It's beautiful." In addition to France and Croatia, the Bryant family also recently vacationed in Jamaica, where they spent time with Kobe's family, including his sister Sharia Washington, Sharia's husband Jared, and their kids. They posed for sweet family photos while standing in front of palm trees and flashing bright smiles. Family, Vanessa appropriately captioned the pics.